my name is Dipti Saha. I'm an actor, model and influencer by profession.
Where you staying?
I stay in KL near Mid Valley Mega Mall. So my schedules are mostly so packed.
So you're busy with work?
Yeah, busy shooting, doing all the makeup on my face.
So what treatment that you do just now?
I did the Tranquil Glowing Facial, and I'm so impressed with Mera, the way she did my massage and the way she explained each and every procedure. And it's very refreshing. I feel relaxed, and I must admit I took a power nap while she was doing the facial. So it was quite good.
So do you think this treatment is suitable for you? If it's suitable for the people like you?
Yeah, I think it's suitable for every person, because she did all the like the massage and the mask she put. So there was nothing different. I mean, there was nothing negative that people will be afraid or scared of doing. So it's very normal for every person to have that massage or have that mask for glowing skin and for removing all the dirt from your skin. So I think it is recommendable, I think.
You think people must do this frequently?
Absolutely. I think it's a good way to pamper yourself, and good 1 hour time wherein you just have to relax and just be calm, and it's very refreshing.
Do you suggest this treatment?
100%. I will definitely suggest everyone to go for this treatment at least once. Then they can decide if they want to continue for sure. And the best part is this clinic is in Sri Damansara and Jalan Ipoh. So if you're closer to any place, you can go there and have your best 60 minutes. Thank you.